it's been 2 hours since we mixed this dough. I've been letting it auto-lease for the 2 hours. Let's see how the window pane looks. Well, that's a pretty nice window pane. Feels just a little bit weak, but it's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and add 20 grams of salt. And we'll work that in, and we'll do some folds over the next several hours. I'm going to mix the salt in a little bit for a few minutes here. Okay, the dough stiffened up quite a bit with the salt in it and with me messing around with it. So we'll go ahead and let it rest for 30 minutes and then I'll be back to fold it again. Okay, I've been folding this several times without filming it. This will be the 4th time that I've folded it. And we'll go ahead and check the window pane. It's much stronger than in the beginning. We'll go ahead and fold it. And I'll fold it once or twice more, and then we'll shape up the dough. Needs to be a little more bubbly. There's not enough bubbles in the dough yet, so we'll let it ferment a little longer.